Almost. And then we'll get this bass video started, which is the song. See, my iPod broke, so we gotta figure out how we're gonna do this, because my iPod's all messed up, which really sucks. So stock liquor, it's not fun. See, it sucks, really sucks. And this might just be the video for today, because my iPod broke. Talk to you guys in a little bit. Peace. Why I can't do a demo. Press play. Do you hear something wrong with that? It's only playing one side. It's not my auxiliary cable that's broke. It is the inside of this jack. Trying to see if I can get the inside of it. No. The inside's broke though. Something went wrong in there, and it's not working now. So this really sucks because I'm gonna try to float a $5 bill, which is kind of heavy because it's money, out the window. Because I can't do Daz Dillinger. I was going to do Daz Dillinger. I don't know how to say his name. But I was going to do that. But I can't now because I don't have my iPod, which really fucking sucks. So I don't know what test tones are which. And which are which. And what are what. And what are what. So CD. I had to put the CD in. Now we're gonna go ahead and see what tracks are which. So that's a pulsating one. Oh, that was a low note. Here's what my Rockford Fosgate's doing. I'll show you right now. That's what it's doing. That's a good example. skipping the CD. That's the old 5. Before the cops get called on me, because these people are assholes over here. So I will talk to you guys later, alright? Peace.